In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice on Squarespace. Firstly, let's navigate to Squarespace's homepage. It's here where your journey begins. On the top right corner of the screen, you'll find the Login button. Give that a click to proceed. Up next, you'll be presented with several sign-in options. For a seamless experience, click on Continue with Google. This option allows you to easily log in using your Google account, so go ahead and choose the Google account you wish to use. Once you're logged in, the Squarespace interface will welcome you. Your next step is to access your website dashboard. If you're managing multiple sites, make sure you select the correct one. Now let's dive into the invoicing system. You can reach this by going to the invoicing section in your website's management area. This section is critical for managing and sending invoices directly from Squarespace, saving you from the hassle of using separate invoicing platforms. Within the invoicing section, look for the Invoices tab. Clicking this will bring up a list of all invoices associated with your Squarespace account. To continue, locate the specific invoice you wish to send. If you've organized your invoices efficiently, spotting the right one should be straightforward. Upon finding your invoice, you'll see an edit option. Click on it to review or make any final adjustments to your invoice before sending it off. It's always a good idea to double check the details to ensure everything is accurate. Finally, the moment we've been working towards sending your invoice. You'll notice a send button, which unsurprisingly is your cue to send the invoice to its intended recipient. Click it once to send your invoice on its journey, and then to confirm the action, you'll click the send button again. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to manage and send invoices directly through Squarespace, ensuring your billing process is as smooth and hassle-free as possible. This process not only makes it easier to keep track of your invoicing directly from your website management platform, but also adds a professional touch to your billing process. Remember, the key to a smooth invoicing process is organization and accuracy. Ensure your invoices are correctly filled out before sending them, and you'll save yourself a lot of time and potential confusion down the line. Happy invoicing!